guys, welcome to aclaireytale and welcome to another video. I hope you're all doing well. As you can see, I've dressed up a little bit. I've got a glittery top on because it's my dad's birthday today. So exciting. I am going to drive around to his in a minute, but I just thought I'd start this video here. Last night I attempted to bake a cake. And when I say bake, I used ingredients that were already mixed together. I got one of those Mr. Kipling boxes. I did film a few clips, so I'll put that in here. So this is the cake I'm going to make for my dad's birthday. It's a caramel cake. So that's going to be really good. It is a bit deceiving, this picture, because the icing doesn't come in the box. You've got to buy that separately, so this is it. It's a vanilla icing with a caramel cake, so it should be really good. I've bought some piping bags to try and get a nice top, but I've never done it before. Let's see what happens. And I've got this to go on top as well, little candle. But hopefully it should be really easy. We just need oil, eggs and milk. It looks like it comes with some decorations as well. Oh, it's in the cardboard. Oh, that's it. This should be very easy. Oh, this smells incredible. Right, now let's pour it into the dish. Whoa. Right, these are both ready to go in. Let's see what they turn out like. We've just got them out of the oven. I'm going to wait for them to cool now and then put this on them. This is the cake. What do you think? My first piping attempt. Yeah, it looks like a child did it, doesn't it? Oh well, it doesn't quite look like this, but near enough. Right, I'm going to put this in a tin now, ready for tomorrow. So I'm going to drive that cake around to my parents' house now, along with his present. And we are heading into Liverpool to celebrate. We are going to eat at Smoke and Dough. It's a restaurant that none of us have ever eaten at before, so we're all very excited. It's in Liverpool 1 upstairs, so I'll show you where that is. I'm hoping it's a little bit like Ohana and Texas de Brazil. You pay a set amount and they come around with skewers and until you're full, basically. I'm hoping it's like that anyway, but I'll show you all of that. I love filming occasions like this, especially to look back on in years to come, so that is why I'm going to film today, show you around Liverpool a little bit. I bought Jungle Cruise on Disney Plus, so I'm going to watch that with my parents later on today as well and get back from Liverpool after our celebrations, so should be a good day. We're also going to be doing some final planning for final booking for Disneyland Paris. I'll film a separate vlog telling you everything that we've got booked and planned. Some really exciting things, some things I didn't think we'd be doing, so I'm very excited. So I will definitely film a separate video to that. Stay tuned for that, maybe next week. So let's start these birthday celebrations.
Oh my goodness me, look at that birthday cake.
Can I just
The piping's not the best. So we've got this to go on top of this cake for when we have that. But Dad's got a second cake as well. Look at this, we've got an M&S one with, it's rainbow. Cool, we're going to be full of cake. Some candles. Are you going to open your present off me then, Dad?
Yes, okay. Which shall I open first,
Well,
Lovey?
maybe because you know what these are going to be.
Oh, I'd never guess what that is.
So we've just parked at the Liverpool 1 car park and we're going to go up to the top, to the roof where the restaurant is. I've got my Dumbo Very Nico bag with me. This was gifted. I'll put the link below if you fancy it and the discount code. I love it so much. Dad, they've decorated for your birthday. Yeah, they've put the bunting up. Right, we need to go up.
Oh, it's over there. I can see Joe.
Oh yeah, it's right there. I do like it up here. There's some really cool bars and restaurants. So we're just down here, Dad. Smoke and Dough.
Oh yes, I can see it.
There's a TGI's here, ZZ's, Wagamama. Oh, there's a long queue. I hope it's not for Smoke and Dough. Oh no, I think it's for Wagamama, that. Lovely day. So I think it's pretty much Smoke and Dough because it's American and Italian food. Meet and greet. Oh, this looks nice. This is so nice. Ooh. wonderful. Wow. Cool, it's a very big table, Dan. Look, we've got it to ourselves as well. Birthday boy.
What's in here?
Don't know. Oh.
Oh, it's a hole.
Oh. Right, so this is the menu. So it's a fixed menu. You can choose the $12.99 one or the $17.99 one. And it comes with all these different skewers and oh, there's little burgers. And then this one has an extra, what's different? Lamb chops is different. Steak. So this one has steak. Oh, and brisket.
Oh yeah.
So it's quite a bit different in the two. But you all get salad and bread. The bread, there's focaccia bread and the garlic bread. Salad, and is that the same on that side? I think it might be an assortment, Dan. And then if you want, you can purchase some sides. So we're waiting for my brother and my sister-in-law to come, and we're waiting for Simon to come as well. He's gonna come here on his lunch hour. Oh, I'm very excited. I don't know, Mum's gonna be singing. So whose birthday is it, and why have you not got the bigger glass?
I guess who's driving?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Right, cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Oh my God.
Presents.
DIY.
Yeah, that's good for you, Dan.
You go the way again. Yeah. Oh, I wonder what this is.
It's a voucher.
When it comes in a box, it means it's a lot.
Oh, right. Say no more.
So the bread has just arrived. We've got focaccia and we've got garlic brioche. Ooh, and there's more coming. We've got dips and hummus. Wow. Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh my
Mushroom
goodness.
sauce here and your peppercorn sauce there. Enjoy. Thank you.
Wow. Absolutely
Your mushroom sauce here and your peppercorn sauce. Enjoy.
Thank you. We take a whole skewer. Oh, thank you. Cool.
Those meats.
There's a steak for everybody. Are you going to call that all?
Well, we have demolished all of our food. That was delicious, wasn't it? Did you enjoy a meal, Dad? That was very nice. Birthday meal. Great. So good. We are going down here now to the Disney store just to have a little look. You can't come to Liverpool without checking out the Disney store. I think we're going to go to the Lynch shop as well. Oh, there's a queue to get into the Disney store. These Legos are just amazing. They've got Baby Yoda as well. The size of this. Absolutely, it takes up the whole shelf.
How big would that be, Claire? Well, how big would it be?
Just massive.
Would it be like that big? Or?
Probably bigger, actually. You've got the cantina. You've got the train. All these keys are now half price. They're £4. I think I'm going to get this one. It's the up. It's gorgeous, isn't it? I love it. Look at all these ears. You're thinking of getting those for Lyra, did you say?
Yeah,
they're really cute.
They're quite Christmassy, sparkly.
Yeah.
What is this?
The purple one. The purple ones are nice. She'd like them.
Yeah, but that'll go with anything.
Yeah. We're going into the Lynch shop. Love it in here. Oh, we did a bit of damage in the Disney store, of course. I love it in here. We've got so many flavours. Caramel, orange, mango, white, pistachio, mint, salted caramel, hazelnut. I love this one. It's milk and white together. I always get that one. Oreo, coconut, matcha. I've got an amaretto, mango, orange, caramel, mint, and then my favourite one, the white and milk. Right, that's everything that we're doing now in Liverpool. We're going to head back to my mum and dad's house and we're going to have some cake. We are back back from Liverpool now. I'm at my mum and dad's house and I'm waiting for my brother and the kids to come around. The kids didn't come out to Liverpool with us, but they are going to come around for cake, which is very exciting. It was a really good meal, lots of food and just all meats. It was so good. So I've got just enough space for birthday cake. But looking forward to having an evening. We might do some games, have some fun, celebrating the rest of my dad's birthday. Are we putting them all on?
Yeah.
We're going to cause a fire.
So flipping out might take me some time. As we know.
Watch out, because it's come. Oh, you never do it, you never do it. Keep going.
Hey, look. Oh my god.
Oh, oh, that looks good.
Can I be in it?
Do you like that, kids?
I want to be in it.
Okay, hold on.
Can you use?
We're going to have eating cake tomorrow as well.
Cheese.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray!
They look super.
Do you want to blow as well?
Yeah.
All together. Ready?
Very cool with makeup.
Yeah.
Hooray!
As well as that they
Yeah, slither of each. That rainbow
does
cake
look-
looks
do.
amazing.
It does look like a coffee cake. Right?
It does. It's not though, it's caramel.
Is it?
Yeah, it's caramel with vanilla icing.
Yes, go on.
After my cake.
Okay. Eat your cake first and then I'll see.
Your cake is amazing.
Is it? I didn't make him say that, everyone. He genuinely said that. Have you had it all?
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet. Have you had any of the rainbow cake?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah. Do you want to see what bite I took out yours?
Yeah. Right, it's time for my slithers. Whoa, look at my little slices of cake. These look great.
Claire,
Yeah.
I prefer your cake more.
Yes, I win. Yeah, we should all do which cake they prefer.
Spencer's, is it?
I need to tell Marks and Spencer's that.
Do you want to pick a different colour?
No, green.
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 5.
5. You got 5.
Great.
Oh,
She
switch
doesn't
the
have a
colours.
red. She doesn't have a red.
Everyone seems to have a lot of cards.
Ah, jeez.
Monopoly will go on forever.
Pinocchio.
Can't go.
Right, Gemini.
So I thought I'd show you what we picked up today in the Disney store. As I showed you in store, these keys are now just £4, so I had to get the up one, and then I picked up the 2021 key as well. I really like that. So I've nearly got enough for another frame. My dad picked up this mug. It's a new collection, I think, because I've not seen it before. It's so cute. It's the Jungle Book mug. Can you see all the characters on there? I love it. It's absolutely humongous as well. My dad said he's going to use it for soup. I love the colour of it too. That's so, so nice. And then my brother picked up these items over here. He got the main attraction ears. I think these were the December ones. They're so pretty. I love the fireworks on them. And then the castle on the bow. So pretty. And these were reduced. These are now $20.99. So yeah, I hope my niece will love those. I'm sure she will. They're absolutely lovely. And then he just picked up some socks for my niece and nephew. £3 each they were. So yeah, that's our little haul from the Disney store today. Good evening. It's quite a bit later on now. The cake went down a storm. I won the taste test. It might have looked like a 5-year-old did the decoration, but it won the taste test, and that's all that matters. I would like to do more baking. I really enjoy it. Or do I enjoy the end product? Yeah, it's probably that. But it's been a lovely day. We've just been watching some bits. We also did a load of things for our Disneyland Paris trip. We have to do a lot of admin for getting into the country and coming out of the country. I'm going to do a video a lot more in depth. I can probably fill the whole video about all the preparation you have to do. So if you are interested in going to Disneyland Paris, I will definitely get a more sort of concise video going through everything that you have to do. But we did some of that today, and then we'll probably do the rest another time. So I'm about to drive home. Mum's parcelled up some cake for us, and yeah, so thank you so much for watching this day. I really hope you enjoyed seeing us enjoy my dad's birthday. Stay tuned, you know, all these little trips we've got planned these coming weeks, so stay tuned to see all of that. Please like this video if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Make your memories, take your pictures, make your memories.